Credit Sesame Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? What if you could monitor your credit, get personalized tips to improve it, and even receive financial recommendations all in one app? Most people get this wrong, but in 2025, credit monitoring apps are more than just alerts. They can be powerful tools to help you make smarter financial decisions. The surprising truth about Credit Sesame is that while it offers a free and easy way to track your credit score, the real benefits come from using the insights strategically. But is it truly worth your time, or should you leave it behind? Today, we're breaking it all down. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how Credit Sesame works, the features it offers, how accurate it is in 2025, the costs involved, who benefits the most, who might want to skip it, and whether it deserves a place in your financial routine. Stay with me, because near the end, I'll reveal one insider tip that can maximize your results using Credit Sesame in ways most users never notice. Let's start with the basics. Credit Sesame is a personal finance app that focuses on credit monitoring and financial insights. It provides a free credit score and report summary, offers personalized recommendations to improve your credit, and gives access to credit card and loan offers tailored to your profile. It's designed to make understanding your credit easy and actionable. Unlike traditional methods of checking your credit, which might require logging into multiple platforms or requesting reports from each bureau, Credit Sesame consolidates this information in one place and updates it regularly. Now let's talk about what you get for free. Credit Sesame provides a free monthly credit score, identity protection monitoring, and personalized financial recommendations. The score is a Vantage score, which differs slightly from the traditional FICO score, but it's still a reliable indicator of your credit health. The app also offers alerts when there are major changes in your credit file, helping you detect fraud or errors quickly. Now, here's where most people get it wrong. Many users think that checking their credit frequently will hurt their score. With Credit Sesame, your score is provided as a soft inquiry, which does not impact your credit. That means you can check as often as you like without fear of lowering your score. Now let's talk about paid features. Credit Sesame offers premium membership tiers that include full credit reports, more detailed monitoring, identity theft insurance, and expert advice. The costs vary, but typically range from a few dollars to around $20 per month, depending on the package. For people serious about protecting their identity or managing multiple credit factors, these upgrades can add value. Now let's talk about accuracy. Credit Sesame provides scores and insights based on TransUnion data. While it may not match your exact FICO score used by lenders, it is highly correlated and provides actionable insights. For most users, trends and recommendations are far more important than the exact number. Now let's talk about recommendations. Credit Sesame analyzes your credit report and offers tips to improve your score. Common suggestions include reducing credit card balances, paying bills on time, diversifying credit types, and limiting hard inquiries. These insights can be highly useful if followed consistently. Now let's talk about credit card and loan offers. The app matches you with personalized offers based on your credit profile. This can save time and prevent unnecessary applications that could hurt your score. Users often find cards or refinancing options that are better than what they would find through general research. Now let's talk about identity protection. Credit Sesame monitors for suspicious activity, including new accounts opened in your name, delinquent accounts, and other potential fraud indicators. For users who worry about identity theft, this feature adds an extra layer of security. Now let's talk about ease of use. The app is intuitive, showing your credit score, changes, alerts, and recommendations in a clean interface. You can track progress over time, visualize trends, and receive notifications that keep you engaged with your credit health. Now let's talk about real-world examples. Imagine Sarah, a 30-year-old professional with student loans and 2 credit cards. By monitoring her score with Credit Sesame and following recommendations, she reduced her credit utilization and avoided unnecessary inquiries. Within 6 months, her score increased by over 40 points, enabling her to qualify for a lower-interest car loan. Now let's talk about limitations. Credit Sesame does not give full access to all 3 major credit bureaus for free. Only TransUnion is available without cost. Also, while the recommendations are helpful, they require discipline and follow-through. The app alone cannot improve your credit. It's a guide, not a magic solution. Now let's talk about who benefits the most. Credit Sesame is ideal for beginners who want to understand their credit, people looking to improve their score and those who want to monitor for identity theft. It's also helpful for anyone planning a major financial move, like applying for a mortgage or refinancing a loan. Now let's talk about who might want to skip it. If you already have a comprehensive financial monitoring system, work with a financial advisor, or prefer checking your credit directly through all three bureaus, Credit Sesame might feel redundant. Also, if you are unwilling to follow recommendations or track your progress, the free features won't offer much value. Now let's talk about common mistakes. Users often ignore the recommendations, overlook alerts, or assume that merely having the app improves credit. The real power comes from actively using the insights to make informed decisions about spending, payments, and credit applications. Now let's talk about long-term potential. Consistent use of Credit Sesame can lead to better credit decisions, improved scores, and enhanced access to loans and credit products. Even small changes, like reducing balances or monitoring for fraud, can have a significant impact over time. Now let's talk about security. Credit Sesame uses bank-level encryption to protect your data. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection. Your personal information is never sold to third parties for marketing without your consent, though the platform does suggest offers based on your profile. Now let's answer the big question. Is Credit Sesame worth it in 2025? If you want to actively manage your credit, monitor for fraud, and receive personalized recommendations, the answer is yes. The free features alone provide significant value, and the premium tiers add more convenience and protection for those who need it. If you already have strong credit habits and multiple monitoring systems, it may be less essential. Here is the surprising truth. Most people only check their credit once a year or after applying for a loan. By using Credit Sesame regularly, you gain ongoing insight that can prevent costly mistakes, improve your score gradually, and even save money through better financial decisions. So let me ask you something. Do you want your credit score to be a mystery, or do you want a tool that guides you to stronger financial health? If this review helped you understand Credit Sesame, tap the like button so more people can discover smarter ways to monitor and improve credit. Subscribe for more honest reviews, financial tips, and practical guidance. And comment below, do you check your credit regularly, or is this your first step toward understanding it? Your credit health is one of the most powerful financial tools you have, and the right insights can make all the difference.